Well, it's a blizzard for Millie and Mikey. Millie isn't, Mikey isn't that happy to move along, and Millie's just taking up the rear. As you can see, well, it's not really a blizzard, but Mikey doesn't really want to walk in this. And I put shoes on them earlier, and now I'm tangled up in Millie. I have to swing around, get untangled up, and here we go. Walking in the snow. Mikey is not happy. Millie could care less. Anyway, walking in the snow with Millie and Mikey. Snow day in New York. Actually, snow evening. Mikey's gradually taking his time, as you can see. And Millie's right down there walking alongside. Anyway, excuse me, enough of the blizzard with Millie and Mikey. This is it. Anyway, we will talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Millie and Mikey in the snow. Right, Mikey? Right, Millie? Right. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.